Congratulations, Krishna.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hi, this is Yogesh here from Quality Department. Now I'm going to take your feedback. So please introduce yourself, Krishna.
Yes, sir. Myself, Krishna Kumar. I'm from Tamil Nadu, sir. I completed MTech in 2021.
Which course you have joined here?
IDM and CACM, sir.
Okay, tell me which are the sessions you attended, the classroom sessions?
First, I was attended to your unit of measurements and the reading of drawings and that the procurement process and the sequence of constructions and residentials, interiors, what all the cut list, everything I was done in that interior parts. After CACM, I was done that some site visits.
So tell me the site visits, which are the site visits you have visited?
2 commercial buildings nearby the Jayanagar, and that one is Samitva and one is Satwa training center, Satwa buildings, Satwa commercial buildings.
Fine. Tell me, what about the interior site visits?
Yes, sir. The interior site visits go for that Fenesta, IKEA, smart clock designs.
And what about the experience center, factories?
Yes, sir. Experience factories, production centers. I was went, sir. Production centers. It is interior production centers.
This is Vishwa panel.
Yes, sir. Vishwa panels.
Vishwa panel. What you learned there?
Sir, from that type of plywoods and the using of productions, how they are cutting cut list and that measurements, how they are taken measurements from the interior designs by using that interior sites and also and cut list designs and the productions and that what are the pastries and using the pasting levels and that edge banding, everything I was learned in that.
So tell me, what are the softwares you learned?
As a first, I was done at the AutoCAD, SketchUp, and that V-Ray, Enscape, Revit.
So tell me, how was the support from the trainers?
According to CMTI, every trainer, very trained mentors are there. Even that is upskill from the basics to upskills, I was learned very well here because the trainers are very supportive to every students. Even in CMTI Institute, after that class also they are well supportive to every student.
And what about the support from the coordinators, staff?
Yes, sir. Even all coordinators from the online coordinators and the offline coordinators, which is from timetable to where I have to pick up, where I have to go, and the site visit, the arrangements of site visit and arrangement of classes, everything it will be in uniform way. Without fail, they are using how to motivate the students, and also they are done very well.
And tell me the HR support for your placement. How many interviews attended?
Interview.
And HR support, you tell me.
Yeah, yes, sir. With the HR support, I was attended 5 interviews. In the 5 interviews, I was selected in 4. Apart from that 4, went to internship. At that internship, I was get opportunities to job. Yes, I was learned many things in that internship. Even that interior measurements from how to take calculations from the interiors. What are the errors it will come during the measurements, and what are the after measurements. What I have to do that you have to approach the designers and design parts, and that how to productions unit and the procurement unit I was learned, and how to manage the clients also I was learned in that internship. So that internship was helpful to me to get the job.
Tell me the last interview.
My mentors was given some questions and preparation of questions and answers. CMTS have some notes, some unique notes is there to well preparations, and how to motivate the students also will be there. How to clear the interviews also there from the basics. From the basics to technical questions also they are prepared well.
Just tell me what is the thing you learned after joining CMTI?
Sir, in my college they are only thought about the only book things. In the syllabus practicals only I have done. Apart from that CMTI is very different because they are to site visits and the interior part of visits, showroom visits, V-rays and that Enscape, everything it was unique, sir, unique way of teaching, and from the basics, from the unit of measurements, no one will teach in that college also. So it is very helpful to us.
Finally, what you would like to say to the juniors who are interested to join CMTI?
I have to say to the juniors, you learn in that CMTI means you have to ready to boom your skills. Students will the conscious means they'll get the job and upskill that growth. Please use of the CMTI Institute to educate and to upskill that knowledge and everything in that CMTI. So we have to approach the CMTI for juniors. It is a helpful platform for juniors. For the juniors and seniors also, some part of seniors have to upskill that knowledge, and getting job also, it is very easy to get a very job. Cracking the part of job is very easy here in the CMTI. So it is very useful to juniors and the upskilling students also.
Thank you, Krishna. Thank you for your time.
Yes, sir.
And congratulations again on your placement.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you.